For some of you, this module will be very useful. And what is it? It's a 5 amperes 90 watts PWM power with modulation 12 volt DC motor speed controller module that works from 4.5 volts to 35 volts maximum, adjustable speed regulator control switch 24 volts it says. The price is around $2 or $3 from AliExpress, and the link will be in description below. And for the first time I received pink package. I can't believe it. So I'm so excited that it's pink. Alright, let's open. Maybe there is a pink bubble. No. No pink bubbles, sorry. Alright. Whoa. It comes with the knob, which is great. And I hate when the electronic components are not placed right. Okay, now it's better. Okay. Ooh, there it goes. Oh. I'm gonna place it right here, and the washer and the nut. Oh, it have a switch. Can you hear it? Beautiful. Alright. You can enjoy in 360 degree to watch this module while I'm reading the description. Working voltage DC 4.5 35 volts 5 amperes. Okay, output current 0 to 5 amperes, output power 90 watts maximum, that is. Quiescent current 7 microamperes standby. Power with modulation duty cycle 1% to 100%. Power with modulation frequency 20 kilohertz. And precaution, it says that this module is for DC motors, not for AC. Otherwise it will burn. 2 days ago I received this beautiful alligator to banana plugs cable, and some of you comment that I should measure the resistance of the cable, so need to be careful about these Chinese cables because maybe they will have a big resistance. And take a look. What does it says? 0.089 ohms. That is cool and good. They are no bad at all. My beautiful multimeter, Zoe ZT703, oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator. All the links will be in description below, so you can check them. I'm connecting some wires to the controller. And I'm gonna demonstrate how you can control a DC motor just like this one. It's a big one with a gear. Let me share my Ko-fi page and my latest and special supporter, who for second time I think, Adrian Arts, support my channel and support my work with 8 coffees. And he wrote, "Every day you make my day with your enthusiastic videos. Thanks." And I wrote, "Hello sir, thank you very much for the support and coffee. I will mention you in my videos as top supporter." Yes, thank you very much, Adrian Arts, for supporting my work. I very appreciate it. So the wiring is very simple. You can see that we have input and output. It says motor M minus M plus, and voltage input from 4.5 to 35 volts. And before testing, let me check with my beautiful and portable microscope what MOSFET is this one. It's a XY6008 DC. Let's check that. Take a look what Mr. Google says. The MOSFET is 40 volts, 50 amperes and channel mode MOSFET. Okay, it's pretty powerful, but the module is rated 5 amperes or 90 watts. Okay. And yes, I'm gonna use my DIY power supply, power on, and this is the good way to test the leads, the probes that I got from AliExpress, and some of you says that they are bad quality. We're gonna see that right now. And my power supply is set on 6 volts and maximum 7 amperes. I'm gonna hit on and take a look. Also we have a switch on the controller, power on, and it's pulling 20 milliamperes, doing nothing. I'm gonna rotate the potentiometer. Whoa! Start spinning. Little bit more. It's making a loud noise. I hope you can hear it clear. Right now 6 volts, 1.4 amperes, 8 watts, and let's go to the maximum. 2.7 amperes, 16 watts. Alright. Okay, power off. I'm gonna set the little bit more than 6 volts. I will go with maybe 10 volts. Alright. The amperes are maximum 7. On. Amperes, 30 watts. And this is maxing the potentiometer. Wow! Is it hot? No! Here. Like it. Alright. I have hooked up the oscilloscope. And let's see what will happen. The frequency is 5-7 kilohertz. It's not perfect, but it's good. 5 kilohertz. It's around 22 kilohertz. In description says 20 kilohertz. Now I have hooked up 2 car bulbs connected in serial, so I'll get 24 volts and the power supply is set on 24 volts. It's on. Also the oscilloscope is hooked up on the bulbs on the output. And take a look. It's nice. Can you see it? It's around 22 kilohertz and the voltage peak to peak is what it says, 2.45 volts. And take a look, the potentiometer is on maximum. We are pulling 41 watts. Is it hot? Nope. Nice. So cheap module, working great. I love cheap electronics from AliExpress that work great. Okay, and this will be useful for some things. Okay. I hope you liked today's video presentation of this module. If you like it, please give a like to the video, share and subscribe to my channel. Beautiful. Power off. And just to prove you, a short circuit, power on, 7 amperes. Okay. Okay.